to do?
Well, years ago, my friend Michael Kirker asked me to do Monday nights at the Russian Tea Room, and it was dedicated to composers. And it started way back then.
None of us ever thought we'd get to where we are.
The composer and the lyricist, Dorothy Field, was offered to me. We started working on it then, and then we sort of put it in the drawer. Herb Bernstein, my conductor. And then I do a lot of symphonies, and they love theme shows. So we took it out, and we developed a 2-hour symphonic show. And that's why we had all the musicians on stage tonight, because the show was really written for symphony, but we didn't want to overwhelm the room with too many musicians. On the other hand, we wanted to have all those fabulous lines that were meant to be written on those Jerome Kern pieces. And
Was it hard to pare it down?
no, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. You know what, the only thing that's hard is when you have to start taking things out because of time. You say, oh, I can't do this, or I can't do I Won't Dance, I can't do A Fine Romance. It's too many songs in an hour. You know, because she's written so many great pieces. Nobody Does It Like Me from Seesaw. You know, so you have to sort of, what am I going to take out? You know, but
And
choices.
What is your next performance? What do you have on?
I'm going to be with Marvin Hamlish. We do symphonies together out on the road. So I'll be with Marvin, and then I get home middle to the end of June, and then I get ready for some summer tent things that I have. You know, the summer festival.
Keep you busy.
things.
Keep you
Yeah.
busy.
Herb Bernstein. I'm Julie's conductor, arranger, and friend, and everything
How
else.
many years have you known Julie?
Over 40. We've been together since she was 12. It's been quite
How
a
did you
few
meet?
years. We met in the Catskills. I was up at the Tamarack Lodge with my family, and I had a lot of hits at the time. And Julie was following me around, and she wanted to break in the business. She was 12. So we got together, and I listened to her sing, and I fell over. She had an amazing voice at that age, so it was just great.